Basically, December is coming. December is coming. What kind of content have you created? What kind of content are you ready to explore? Have you uploaded video today as a YouTuber? I'll always tell you that YouTube is not easy. Like a lot of people always say, oh, come and do YouTube. It's not easy, but the only truth is that you're going to make money at the end of the day. So if you're watching this video and you've not uploaded video, I wonder why you have not uploaded video. Now, December is approaching, and for this December that is approaching, there is something YouTube called Vlogmax. Okay, so since there is something YouTube called Vlogmax, you need to participate in that thing that YouTube called Vlogmax. And this is the advantage you're going to be getting as a YouTuber if you're participating in Vlogmax. The first advantage you are going to be getting is if you participate doing the Vlogmax as a small content creator, especially those ones that are under 1,000, under 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, or under 10,000. YouTube will have the opportunity to like push out your videos more. You understand? I remember I did Vlogmas last year and it was a whole lot for me. So if you don't even have any reason for you to do Vlogmax, this should be your reason that at the end of the day, YouTube is going to push out your content more. You understand? Don't mind me. I just came back from I went outside to run some transactions, so I did vlogs. That's why I'm packing this right now. Okay, you can see that I have to come and talk to you guys before I go forget to even film this particular video given now. Then the second thing that you can actually achieve if you do Vlogmax on YouTube this December 2024 is you are going to be making more money if you're monetized. So for those ones that don't know, basically for every Vlogmax that YouTube is doing, the revenue is totally going to be different. You understand? When I mean different, like 100% different. Okay. So if your revenue, for example, is like maybe your RPM or your CPM is $2, $3, YouTube can step it up to like $4. I remember last year when I was not really serious with my YouTube channel, that December period last year was one of the months I made the highest revenue. You understand? Because sometimes basically I'll just come and probably upload, or sometimes I will not even upload. But I said, okay, I will take it upon myself and I'll do Vlogmas, and I did Vlogmas and it came out well for me. And of which I'm telling you this so that as someone that is monetized, you have to go and pack your bag and baggages now and start knowing what to do, because Vlogmas is starting on December 1st and it is going to end either on the 30th of December or on the 25th or 26th. Some person said it's 25th of December, some person says 26th of December. But for me, I feel like Vlogmas is from 1st of December to 30th of December. And as you're seeing me too, I am going to be doing Vlogmas. And my own Vlogmas is going to be fun pack for you guys, because I'm going to give you guys the opportunity to go to the comment section right now and ask me questions. What kind of videos do you want me to film for you when it comes to how much YouTube pay me? I want to expose all of my revenue for you guys, and to every question I'm going to be seeing on, okay, Sonia, tell and do a video of how much YouTube pay you for 1,000 views, 3,000 views, 4,000 views, 20,000 views, 100,000 views. I am going to be doing all of that video for you. So if you have not asked me any question before, or you're looking for opportunity to be like, oh, how much can YouTube even pay for 50,000? This is an opportunity for you to ask in the comment section, because that is what I am going to be doing for you guys this Vlogmas, and I want it to be so super. Another thing I want to tell you guys is, as a small content creator doing Vlogmas, try to support more content creators this December, because if you support more content creators this December, it's going to be an opportunity for you to have more content creators that are going to be supporting you. You understand what I'm trying to say? So you don't need to say, oh, because it's Vlogmas, I'm doing Vlogmas. You need to support, and you need to know that Vlogmas, like December period, okay, there are period that a lot of people are going to be in the house. Like a lot of people will have time to watch YouTube. A lot of people will have time to do a lot of things online, and that is why you need to put out yourself there. You need to make sure that this December, at all, even if you don't get anything at all, at least get $1,000 or you do it in, you get 1,000 watch hour or stuff like that. Then apart from that, I just want to give you guys some updates, because you guys know that I lost my YouTube channel account. Not like I lost it, YouTube deleted it from one reason or the other, and probably by the spare grace of God, next week I'm going to film that video for you guys, so that you guys will know the reason why YouTube deleted the account, and so that you guys cannot also repeat that same mistake. So the thing is, in that particular account, I already have my husband's account linked to it, because I created my husband's account with that particular email account. You understand? So immediately YouTube took down that particular account. YouTube took down everything, like everything regarding that account. You understand? And since it has happened like this, I don't know, I'm just contemplating, or I'm just thinking, and I said like, okay, let me bring it to you guys so that you guys will like tell me what to do, because we are like family now. So I was thinking my Sonia Onoja's channel, since it's already monetized, should I just give it to my husband? Because basically I was growing that account for him with subscribers, you understand. I know that it's not Ipu's business, but sometimes you Ipu's business, because your business is also my business. Okay, I'm always here to tell you that, oh, subscribe, oh, don't forget that you're going to get monetized, so you have to help me. So what do you guys think? Since I have like Sonia Onoja's channel that is monetized, I upload videos there, but not as frequent as this one. So do you guys suggest that I give it to my husband so that my husband start using that account? If yes, will you guys support him with what he's going to do on that account? Because that account is basically for how to make money, stuff, tips like that. But I really do not know the niche that my husband really wants to go into, because I know he's very good with music and other things. But I don't know. Irrespective of the niche, I believe that any account that will pick. The only thing that you need is bringing value to the table, and his wife is a coach, so why not? So I'm asking, do you guys suggest I give it to him, or I should just go ahead and open your account and like grow new account for him all from scratch again? Because why not? I can still do it. You understand? So let me know what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to drop all the kind of videos that you want me to film for you. Is it 1,000? Is it 2,000? Is it 3,000? Just leave it for me in the comment section, and you're going to be getting that video from the 1st of December. Okay, I dropped the video I did yesterday. I dropped the video I did yesterday because, to be honest, that video, before I did that video, I was really, really sick. And I just stood up. I was like, why will I not even film a video today? Today is my filming day. And I already have that draft in my notepad. And I was like, okay, let me go ahead and film. I didn't even know I was even calling 2025, forgetting that we are in 2024. So when I was seeing a lot of comments in the comment section, people were like, this one, we should don't go 2026. Another person, 2026. Mama, don't talk 2025. I didn't even pay attention to it, to be honest, because I used to watch my videos. Immediately I upload, I use my other accounts to watch my videos from beginning to the end. But that did not even sink into my head. It was later in the night, my husband started watching the video, because he always watched my video. He was like, you uploaded new video. I saw the notification. Let me go and watch. I said, then go and watch. And only for him to open, and he was like hearing 2026, 2020. He was like, baby, I don't understand. Where they carry us, they run, they go. I was like, what happened? And I said, come and listen to what you said. You said 2025 and 2026. We are still in 2024. So where are you taking us to? That was when it was done on me, and I was like, Jesus Christ, no wonder people are dropping such comments. He now said, oh, I should go ahead and leave the video. I said, no, there's no point in me leaving the video and then confusing people. So I pulled down that video. I'm going to re-film that video now that I'm getting better. Okay, and then I will upload. So if you watched that video yesterday and you were surprised, or you laughed at me, or you comment bad on me, or you comment good on me, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so like I said, if you've not uploaded that video, please do what to go and upload. And yes, this video is going up as I'm ending it just now. So with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let me know in the comment section as well if you'll be doing vlogmas December to monetize. Don't forget.